What if I tell you there is a 110 cubic centimeter scooter that gives you premium comfort, strong mileage, smart features, and Hero's trusted engine, all in one budget-friendly package? Today on SG Riders, we are revealing the Hero Destiny 110 cubic centimeters, a scooter that many people ignore, but those who buy it, never regret it. Watch till the end, because one feature might completely change your buying decision. Welcome back to SG Riders, your trusted destination for honest bike and scooter information. Today's video is about the Hero Destiny 110 cubic centimeters, a premium family scooter designed for daily city rides, comfort lovers, and mileage seekers. Hero Destiny is not just another scooter. It is made for riders who want comfort, reliability, smooth performance, and low maintenance, all backed by Hero MotoCorp's strong brand value. Gear, engine and performance. The Hero Destiny comes with a 110.9 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Engine highlights. Engine capacity, 110.9 cubic centimeters. Power output, 8.02 horsepower. Torque, 8.7 Newton meters. Fuel system, fuel injection, FI. Transmission, automatic, CVT. This engine is tuned for smooth pickup, not aggressive racing. It feels extremely refined in city traffic, especially during stop-and-go riding. Perfect for daily office commuters, family riders, smooth and silent ride lovers. Fuel pump mileage, real-world performance. Mileage is one of the biggest reasons people choose Destiny. Mileage figures. Claimed mileage, 55 to 60 km/L. Real city mileage, 45 to 50 km/L. Highway mileage, 50 plus km/L. With rising fuel prices, Hero Destiny proves to be pocket-friendly and economical. Brain smart and premium features. Hero has added many useful real-life features, not just gimmicks. Key features. Semi-digital instrument cluster. Bluetooth connectivity, in XTC variant. Call and SMS alerts. Mobile charging port. External fuel filling. Boot light. Side stand indicator. Service reminder. LED headlamp. Integrated braking system, IBS. These features make Destiny feel modern and premium in the 110 cubic centimeters segment. Chair comfort and ride quality. Comfort is where Hero Destiny really shines. Comfort highlights. Wide and cushioned seat. Long seat length, comfortable for pillion. Telescopic front suspension. Rear adjustable shock absorber. Low seat height, 770 mm. Even on bad roads, the scooter feels stable and confidence-inspiring. Perfect for families, elders, and daily long rides. Tires, brakes and safety. Safety is simple but effective. Front brake, drum. Rear brake, drum. Braking system, IBS. Tires, tubeless. Wheel size, 10 inches. Braking is smooth and controlled, ideal for city use. Package storage and practicality. Hero Destiny is very practical for daily use. Under-seat storage, large enough for helmet. Front hook, bag holder. Flat footboard, easy grocery carrying. This scooter is clearly made for real Indian/Pakistani roads and families. Money bag price, is it worth the money? Expected price, India. Ex-showroom, 80,000 to 90,000 Indian rupees, variant dependent. Pakistan, estimated. Imported/grey market prices may vary. For the features, comfort, and brand reliability, the price feels totally justified. Thumbs up pros, why you should buy Hero Destiny. Excellent comfort. Good real-world mileage. Trusted Hero engine. Low maintenance cost. Family-friendly design. Smooth and silent ride. Thumbs down. Cons, what could be better? No disc brake option. Not for sporty riders. Average top speed. VS button. Who should buy this scooter? Hero Destiny 110 cubic centimeters is perfect for daily commuters, office riders, family use, mileage-focused buyers, comfortable ride lovers. If you want speed and aggression, look elsewhere. If you want peaceful, reliable, and comfortable riding, this is for you. Direct Hit. Final verdict, SG Riders opinion. On SG Riders, we believe Hero Destiny 110 cubic centimeters is one of the most underrated scooters in its segment. It may not look sporty, but it wins hearts with comfort, mileage, and reliability. A perfect family scooter that delivers value every single day. Bell outro, call to action. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SG Riders for more honest bike and scooter reviews. Comment below, would you choose Hero Destiny or Activa? See you in the next video.